In this guide video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to access analytics in TikTok. To access analytics in TikTok, you'll need to follow these simple steps. So what here you need to do is you have to make sure to go ahead and update the app to the latest version. First thing, check your internet connection at the same time as well. Now then, open the TikTok application and log into your account. So as you're logged into your TikTok account, what next you want to do is simply want to go ahead and tap on the profile from the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on the menu bar from the top right hand side corner and go to settings and privacy section. When you go to settings and privacy section, you want to go ahead and select creators tool followed by analytics. Now I don't have these options. That means I do not have these section because my account is not a creator. So you'll only be able to see it in a business account or business profile. So you have to make sure that you have a business profile, and then you could find analytics section or the creators tools right on this page and go to the analytics, and you must have a business account as I mentioned already. And there you could go ahead and look for your analytics in TikTok. So this is the way you could find it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.